It's what
I
you
just
call
beer era circle virgin.
Meet the Mitchell family.
Chef Jackson cooked up today.
Wow.
Sunny side egg with sausage and bread.
Yeah. Whoa, it's dripping.
I tried.
Go sit at the table with it. Good morning, everybody. Up and about now. And yeah, that's what's on the agenda for today. Look who is up. Momo, this hairstyle today is cute. How many today? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Hi, cutie, cutie.
This is good.
Hi, Chef. Hey. Hey, Chefy.
I'm so excited because we just got this bread delivery. I had ordered bread. Oh my gosh, we ate some of it. So that doesn't look appetizing, but these are the pull apart cheesy rolls. You want one?
Yes, I want one.
You want another one?
Yes.
Here you go.
You get
And
all of it?
yeah, it's so nice. And I bought some other loaves. I don't really know what I got. I just said
Give me this side.
okay, I just said to the lady, whatever you suggest, we'll eat. I was gonna make soup today, but I didn't get around to it.
But we're going to Pops today, right?
Yes.
But look, there are all these other ones.
Wait, Mom, can we bring
Turkish
this?
traditional
Wait,
seafood.
Mom, should we bring this to Pops'
That's
house?
a good idea. This is a cloud bread. The cloud bread. Just Soup and Bread. That's the name of the company. Just Soup and Bread. Very nice.
You get more bread?
Yeah.
Mom,
I
you're
tell you,
buying
I
too
just
much
was
bread.
like the bread just did look so good.
Them say man shall not live by bread alone.
Look at these.
Mom, are those raisins?
I don't remember. Like I said, I just said to her whatever she suggested. I was like, I'll just buy whatever you suggest. Mo, you want to taste this one? This one name. Oh, this is a walnut multi-seed whole wheat. An Italian sun-dried tomato ciabatta. Our kids actually sing together at Voice Box.
What happened?
It's very nice.
So today, may I look forward to go to Pop's house. We haven't been there in a while. So later we're gonna go check the big man and see where I'm going with. See where Max Taylor going with.
Okay, so we are heading on the road right quick, and a while ago you look nice in your pink, by the way. Very, very nice. It actually made me go out and pick up my lovely pin here.
I'm representing for Breast Cancer Awareness Month.
Yes, and then I was at Lo Shusan yesterday, and they told me that they have an amazing display happening at the Lo Shusan New Kingston, which a lot of you may know as John R. Wong. So John R. Wong is actually the sister store to Lo Shusan. It's actually Lo Shusan New Kingston. They just haven't changed around the branding.
So that's where we're going now?
That's where we're going now, because I heard they have a really nice display. And
But that Shusan has a good display too.
no, but John R. Wong I hear have a wicked one.
Really?
Atlas is with us today too. And
I'm always with you guys.
that's right. And what is great about it, and why I want to go support it, because I want to go buy some pink stuff, is that part proceeds actually go back to Cancer Society.
Wait, guys.
So,
Can
yeah.
I tell you something?
Yes, honey.
When the car was like on, Daddy, I was sitting in the seat, and then like I pressed gas, and then I was like,
All right, go put on my seatbelt. So we're gonna go there now, and then you guys like my hair? I did it yesterday.
Wait,
And you know what else I was thinking about? 2 years ago, right around now, was when I was gonna make my hair pink for Breast Cancer Awareness Month, and I would have found out in that same October that I was pregnant with Ivy. Isn't that crazy?
Yeah.
I always remember it was October because my hair was pink in support of breast cancer awareness. So I haven't been to John R. Wong in years. Lo Shusan New Kingston. I don't know if that name ever going to catch on. I think it's them just always call it John R. Wong.
Right?
You know, Jamaican people say
Time, John R. Long.
John R. Long time.
are about to make some sheet cake pancakes.
Yeah.
So basically just pancakes
But
in
we're
a...
poured in this big thing, so we're gonna
Let's show you.
we're gonna pour it in this big thing. So and all of it is going to like mush together. So we basically have a pancake.
It's going to be one massive pancake and then we're going to slice it up. But the only thing is I don't have any fruits to go in it, but I don't think you guys would like that anyway. So we'll figure out something on the side. And I don't have any eggs either, so.
He's gonna eat off the egg.
Steven is eating all of the egg there.
Starting to get heavy.
Actually, the best thing for this might be a wooden spoon.
It's going to be the size of this atlas.
What?
Really?
And we're going to slice it up and just get some of it together for you and then I'll give it back.
How it's so like. Can I have mixed these?
You'll get a turn. 1 second.
Aww. More with pleasure.
Alright. Good stuff. Oh no, guys. What? It's definitely too little. It's fine. Back up.
Wait, so we can't spread it out?
No. Apologies.
I'm gonna watch it make. Hey, I'm turning on the light bulb.
You can.
Medicine.
I made
Early
coffee
morning medicine.
for me, Momo, Gio. How's my coffee?
Excellent.
Momo, how's my coffee? Huh? It's nice, don't it? I made sheet cake pancake breakfast for us.
Breakfast settings, that?
Well, we just made sheet cake pancakes because Steven finished all of the eggs.
Oh, shucks. Momo, what's cooking in the kitchen?
I'm cooking some dinner.
I do pot roast today.
Yeah.
So we're going on the road to go get that pot roast. Now where I do now rice and peas. Okay. We're ready and thing, so I go up on the road. Ivy still sleeping? Yeah, so we're heading on the road, going get the pot roast for Momo, cook some nice Sunday dinner today. That I go on from what I go on, and then we'll see how the day progresses. But it's a nice easy Sunday, what do you call it now? It's 12 o'clock on the dot right now, so it's a nice, it's a Sunday afternoon about to begin. So let's see.
Still thanking the people for their prayer.
Yeah. For everybody who keeping the good vibes and the good energy up for Momo, big up yourself. She said thanks. Yeah, man. You look much better now.
Yeah, I'm doing fine.
Yeah.
Doing good.
Good.
Not fine, I'm doing good.
Yeah. Okay, so we're up on the road now, just about to hit up the supermarket and get our stuff for Sunday dinner and think when Momo in that mood, you know, say she in a cooking mood.
That's always a good sign. I can't believe it's been 3 weeks since she was in her accident, and she's doing so beautifully and so wonderfully well, so I'm happy about that. I can't believe that soon we're gonna be flying out. That's crazy to me.
Time I fly. Time I look on my phone and one thing I dominate my phone right through from YouTube.
Oh, you
go
don't
back
have
over
to tell me.
TikTok. Go back over Instagram.
It's what
I
you
just
call
beer era circle virgin.
zero circle.
Zero circle. Cause if you go down there right now, nothing I say right now.
Guys, yeah, for those of you who have been following us over a period of time, you know that we have always loved and supported Munchie, who is one of the women down there. And Munchie has done some amazing things that she's been highlighted for in the media before, including being able to send her daughter all the way through university, doing what she's doing. So it was so crazy when this whole thing happened, and it was just shocking for us as well as it was for many of you, and heartbreaking in many instances.
Yeah, and it's a classic case of good suffer for the bad, because one person get caught doing something and then everybody get group up and then everybody have to suffer the
baby
consequences.
has to be thrown out with the bathwater.
Now
Yeah.
the authorities have the case now, reviewing the case and whatever, so it is out of any one person hand. It is now gone to you know.
And unfortunately, it's also one of those things, Wayne, where there are ripple effects, you know. And so I think a lot of people look at it as like a thing that is far from them and happening. But let's be fair, when something like this happens, it literally will destabilize these women's homes and communities. That's just the bottom line.
Well, you know, one good thing about this situation is that it has brought sanitization and good hygiene practices back to the fore. So it's not just them now, it's island wide now. Everybody have to know, say, okay, true, me never did a ray, or me never have no running water, yes, or me never did that do, or me never did a wash my hand. You know, like people kind of realize now that you will get locked down if me not do certain thing to the standard where it for do.
If you get caught, that's the thing.
But that's the point. Everybody have phone now, and
Yeah.
who knows what is being
And unfortunately,
recorded.
there is this whole thing now. There's this whole threat out against the woman who put out the video, and all of that is just craziness, because you can't threaten. This is why we're saying it's such a ripple effect, and it's such a big thing, because so many people's livelihood was affected by somebody's action, and then you can't rectify it with more wrong. You just have to, in a situation like this, you have to call a spade, and you have to say it is what it is. It is wrong on every level. And like you said, the good has to suffer for the bad. You know?
And then sometimes you have to take serious thing and laugh. That's just the Jamaican way.
Yeah.
That's just the Caribbean way.
But we are sad. We are sad about how everything played out. But we are happy that they're trying to do the right thing. And, you know, I just feel sad that I don't think it's going to go down well.
This will cause changes, good positive changes.
Yeah.
Then we'll probably get a bathroom before it open up.
Apparently
Then
there
we'll
was
get
a bathroom down there and a water pump in a way, and it's just that
It does
somebody did
not
teeth
work.
out the water pump, and it's back to that whole thing. It's a vicious cycle, you know.
Right. But them are gonna fix things, and hopefully them will get back up on them feet again. You
As
know?
people say, it's a pretty situation, and I'm not laughing.
Facts that. I want song me here. But a general do one song. I be sitting. Me tell you say me can't avoid it. Every turn me turn, and then I'm me alone.
We did a post on Instagram, just, you know, taking a serious thing and making joke, basically. So let me drink my water and mind my business. Guys, guess what's happening? I am a responsible adult. I am a responsible adult. What month is it? What month is it?
October.
What month is it? Look at me, a responsible adult.
October, November,
How many of you are
December.
responsible adults right now? Watch here.
October, November, December.
Oh, I am a responsible adult. I am a responsible adult. Say it after me. I am a responsible adult.
If you know, you know. And if you don't know, you don't know.
Them not catch me this year. Every year me I beg for the wine. Not this year.
Fine, it's why I say fruits are soaked from today.
Yeah, man, take out the jar and everything.
Good.
Ready? What was jar there? Ready for soak. What's your big yarn there? Show the people them what you yarn for.
You hungry? So you answer. What is your lad? Ready?
You don't feel excited?